Good day, my name is Randy Chavez, Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
And I am Ray, Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
And today's live stream, we are going to feature to you our 288 Tornado Fvan. Some would call it as closed van, 11-footer, single tire. It has a 2.8 displacement, 4-cylinder inline, CRDI diesel fuel type, and has a top speed of 95 horsepower.
As we can observe, online selling is very on demand. And most of the online sellers talaga ay ang partner po natin ay ang ating mga courier services. So we are calling the attention of the courier services to really watch this video because we are going to talk about no other than our Fvan or what you call as closed aluminum van. So now let's start sa ating front side. So this is what it looks like sa front side ng ating unit. So, una muna po tayo dito sa may bandang ita. So, nakikita niyo po na ang dimension ng ating laminated windshield ay very designed para mas clear ang vision para sa ating passenger at para sa ating driver. And, meron din po sa may gilid, makikita niyo po ang mga mirrors niyo po to assist also our driver for its safety. And dito naman po, makikita niyo po na meron po tayong front grille dito para makapasok po yung hangin sa loob para ma-meet ang cooling requirements na kailangan ng ating sasakyan. And we also have here our very wide na headlight din po at ang ating fog lamp. So I guess that would be all para sa ating front side. Now let's check our engine with Sir Randy.
Yes, by this time we are going to check our Tornado 2EE 2.8 displacement, the engine inside. Now, as you can see, we have a lever here. So all you have to do is pull this over, squeeze, and then open. Make sure you're able to lock. So this is our engine, 2.8, 4-cylinder inline with CRDI, and you can see we have our computer box here. We also have our fuel filter inside, our ATF, and which is very convenient, especially if for warranty and for repair. Okay, so this is our engine for Tornado 2EE 11-footer, single tire, 2.8 displacement. Now, let's go inside our Tornado. We have a grand grip here. Okay. Our door has independent lock. Tsaka yung window niya manual. So, independently, pwedeng mag-lock yung driver at saka pwede rin mag-lock yung passenger. Tsaka same with the window. Okay. Now for our dashboard, we have two-tone, dalawang kulay. We have a black, we also have a gray. So let's make maganda siyang tignan. At saka yung steering wheel natin, maluwag. At saka 4 rubberized spoke, 4 yung At saka komportable. Now let's try to observe the headroom. Yung headroom niya talagang maluwag, saka yung legroom niya. So this Tornado 2EE has 5-speed manual at saka 1 reverse. At saka yung dito, yung infotainment niya, MP3 decoding, at saka nandito rin ang kanyang aircon system. At saka the good thing about this, we have 4 air vent. So talagang malamig siya sa biyahe. So unlike before, yung mga medyo medyo hindi maganda kasi yung aircon hindi masyadong marami. So dito tayo sa Foton, apat yung air vent natin. Tsaka we make sure that komportable yung long travel nyo. Okay? So at this time, punta naman tayo sa passenger seat. Now dito sa passenger seat natin, meron din siyang hand grip. So for easy entering the vehicle. Yun. Again, I've been saying this so many times, yung headroom tsaka legroom natin napakaluwag. So the space is very huge. And of course, we also have a lot of compartments. So, tingnan natin dito. You can put documents there. Dito, pangalawa. Sa pangatlo natin. Okay. So, as I've said, meron din tayong independent door at saka independent window. So, though manual lang siya, pero at least maganda rin siyang tingnan. Okay? So, it's up to you kung anong preference mo. Gusto mo mag-aircon or lalanghap ng magandang hangin. And of course, ito yung center light niya. We also have two REM visors. Okay? So, this is actually intended for cargo and it's very convenient and at reasonable price. So yung chair, yung seat niya is made of fabric. Tignan nyo, maganda yung pagkagawa. Tapos medyo, rin siya, makapal. So, the Foton made it na talagang komportable yung nagbabiyahe. Okay? So, again, this is inside our Foton 2EE.
So, ang length po ng ating sasakyan ay 16 feet with a body height of 7 feet naman po. And kung sa inner cargo naman po niya ay 11 feet po. Kung nakikita niyo dito, from here, the inner cargo is from here to there is 11 feet po yan. Nakikita niyo din po dito sa may bandang sa cargo niya ay meron po tayong ang ating second na door. Sa ating first door ay nasa may likuran po. So, ang ating second door which helps our helper para i-load at i-unload ang sasakyan ay nandito po. And nakikita niyo po na saktong-sakto ang ating height para sa ating Fvan. Para mas madaling ang i-unload ng ating mga helper ang mga kagamitan para ipasok sa ating sasakyan. And dito naman po sa may gulong, ang gulong po natin ay rim 15 at meron na din po siyang 6 poles. Dito naman sa may bandang side, makikita niyo po dito na meron po tayong mga additional lights, so side lights natin. At meron din po dun sa may rear part para po makapagbigay ng signal na din po sa mga kasamahan natin sa daan. And when it comes to the suspension of the unit, front and the rear suspension ay both lift spring. And dito naman po sa may bandang ibaba, makikita nyo din po na nandito ang ating battery. At of course, meron po tayong sidebar para i-protect ang anything engine natin sa loob in case of collision or mga side collision. So for the fuel, ang fuel po na ginagamit ng ating sasakyan ay 80 liters for the capacity. At ang kanya namang consumption ay 1 liter is to 11 to 14 kilometers. So very afford po natin ang ating fuel dahil po very fuel efficient po ang ating sasakyan. Now let's check naman po sa likuran ng ating Fvan. So ang ating ito naman po ang sa likuran na part ng ating sasakyan. So meron po tayong mga brake lights po sa may bandang itaas. Dahil po nga sa dimension ng ating sasakyan, mataas po siya. So, kailangan po tayo ng brake light po sa may bandang itaas. And ang ating pong body ay aluminum po. So, for rust and corrosion po na prevention. And nandito din po ang ating tail lamp na naka-cage na po siya in case of collision, safe na safe ang ating mga tail lamps. Meron din po siyang spare tires sa may bandang ilalim. Ayan. And that's compatible po talaga para sa ating Fvan na unit. At meron din po tayong sidebar dito, but at the same time, it can also be used as a step board na din po. So for for the capacity or the rate payload po ng ating sasakyan ay 2 tons. So ngayon, bubuksan na po natin ang ating Fvan.
Just like the old days. Hey, skip me, kids, shake it up like we did. We did. Now is the time and we'll have it like we wanted.
So ito po ang itsura of what's inside our inner cargo. So na makikita niyo po na very maluwag po talaga siya. And if you want more luggage po, pwede na po siyang lagyan ng mga shelves dyan para mas marami pa po tayong mailagay sa ating sasakyan or sa ating cargo. And we also have a light there para po hindi mahirapan ng ating mga helper na din po. In case po na i-check po tayo sa checkpoint, no problem po tayo dahil mas makikita po talaga yung loob ng ating sasakyan. And the switch is over there po sa may bandang itaas. And again, the body is made of aluminum po. And dito naman sa kanyang floor ay it's made of steel. Ayan. So I guess that would be all for our Fvan unit.
Make our own way.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Annalyn Benalayo, Service Advisor of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
Hi, I'm Abby, CRO, Warranty Processor ng Foton Cagayan de Oro.
Gusto lang namin i-promote itong promo namin na 2 liters engine oil at 1 piece anti-bac spray. Applicable po ito sa gratour, passenger vehicle, and light-duty trucks in every PMS. Itong promo namin ay hanggang 31 lang po ng July.
At para naman po sa light-duty trucks ay meron tayong 3 years warranty or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. At para naman po sa spare parts natin, you can visit our office located at Gusa Highway. Yun lamang po and God bless.
We can make our own way.
Here in Foton, we are very grateful that you are watching our videos and we still have a lot of variants that we can offer to you. We have a light-duty truck, heavy-duty truck, at meron din po kami mga passenger vehicles.
Yes, for more details, visit us right here at Foton National Highway, Cagayan de Oro City. And our unit price for this unit is 1,010,000, and the down payment is 330,000 and 80,000 for the next 5 years. Our promo for this one still going on, 3 years LTO for the next 3 years for cash and financing purchase.
And para naman po sa ating Facebook page, our Facebook page is Foton Cagayan de Oro, and we also have a contact number down here that you can call or text for fast transaction. Once again, this is Ray, Sales Executive of Foton Cagayan de Oro.
Again, this has been Randy saying,
Keep
keep safe
safe
and
and
God
God
bless.
Right where we should be.